Hello folks, I'm going to use my brand new HSS Honda 928 to attack this berm. It's the first time I've used that, and it's the first time I've used a HSS machine with all the bells and whistles. It's pretty obvious, huh? I mean, I need to practice more so I can learn how to use the thumb control better and the steering handles, the joystick, and everything else. I don't know if you noticed, at first I wasn't shifting correctly. I was pulling down the handle, the drive handle, with the transmission lever in the forward position. What you want to do is you want to start off in neutral and then push down your drive handle, and then you can move your handle back and forth. Okay, we're going to discuss this more in a future video. So I just need some more practice. I'm going to do the rest of the berm and do some other cleanup, and by the end of the day I'll probably know what I'm doing. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe as always, and we'll see you next time.